I literally had to start this video over because it took me like 5 minutes to get this box out of this box. Whatever glue they are using, oh my God. I am like sweating. Okay, so I have my glasses on. Do you guys know how long I wanted to do this? Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from our title, we're going to be unboxing the beatfacebox. This is a bi-monthly subscription. It is $39.99. It is a sister company to slayglam. So, if you were interested to see what I received in the almost says slayglam, in the beatfacebox, and is it worth the $40 every other month? Then just keep on watching. Alright, I'm really excited for this. I just think this packaging is so cute. It's so different and unique. I really, really love it. Alright, so let's open her up and see what is inside. So let me just show you before I forget. There's a little thingy right here, and you just open that up, and then it opens like this, and it says a beatfacebox, and it has their website at beatfacebox.com right there, and there is a sneak peek. Not too much. Alright, I do get this sent to me free for review. You guys know I'm always honest with you guys, but you know my opinions, I keep it real. So I did get message that she did not put a card in here, so she sent me a card with all the prices and a little description about, no, she didn't send me the description. She just sent me what they were and the prices. So let me go get my glasses so I can look and read you the prices as I show you the products. Okay, so I have my glasses on. Do you guys know how long I wanted to do this? I literally ordered these from Amazon just so that I can do this the next time I say I need to find my glasses because I can't read nothing. Strangely enough, I can kind of see out of here. Alright, let's get serious. So I have it on my phone, all the prices. So my phone shut off. Let me get back on. Okay. Alright, now let me see what she says, what month this is. Alright, so this is actually the March-April box, and this is the reason why it's so, this is their second box. I will leave down below the first box that they had that I did unbox, which I really did enjoy everything. And it says the reason why they're late is because the outer packaging, which is this right here, was held in customs after manufacturing. She also says she didn't expect to grow, so that's why it's late. And so I guess they were waiting on more of these packagings. I don't know. But anyway, let's just unbox it and see what is in there. Now, because of the weight, this palette right here, the Oakland palette that everybody gets, will be free. So let me just show you what it looks like this. So that's good. You get something extra for waiting. So you have a nice mirror. And then these are the shades. I don't want to take this plastic piece off or swatch it because I will probably either give this to my daughter or put it in a future giveaway because, to be honest, I know I won't use it, and if I swatch it, I can't give it away. But I did want to show you what everybody will be getting as a free gift for your weight. And the retail prices for that retails between $10 and $12. Alright, so one thing that I seen a spoiler that I am so excited is this Natasha Denona Lila Palette. Let me show you what it looks like. Now, I do own one of these, so I just want to make sure it didn't come broken. I'm going to go get mine so I can swatch it for you because this will definitely be in a future giveaway since I already have one. So let me go get mine and we'll do some swatches. Alright, so this retails for $25. So this is mine. Let me show you. So you can see I used it a few times. And let me do some swatches. Alright, here is 4 shades out of the 5. And then there is the tan color. And there is the palette. Let me see if I can build this purple up for you so that way you can see. Let me do the other shimmer. There we go. So you can see it is buildable. It's very pretty. So that's exciting. You get a Natasha Denona palette in here. I think that's amazing. All right, the next thing is a Sigma. What are you? Would you be? A gel liner. This is in the shade Stunningly Ladylike. So let's see what it looks like. So that's what she looks like. And it's a brown color. Okay. Let's see how much that retails for. So the eyeliner retails for $14.99. All right, the next thing we got is from Manica Dar. This is a priming lip wand right here. In my AIA subscription box that I just unboxed, it was all Manica Dar products. So, and there we go. That's really, really pretty. Really pretty. All right, it's nice and creamy. I'll definitely get some use out of that. And this retails for $24. Now, like I said in my AIA subscription box, Manica Dar prices are very expensive. I would never pay $24 for this, but all of Manica Dar prices are just really, really expensive that, I mean, I just wouldn't pay $24. But I am definitely glad that they do come in subscription boxes. That way I get to try them. And I really do like the products. They're just too pricey for me. All right, the next thing is, what is this? Drip in Diamond Lashes, and it retails for $22. So let's open her up. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. All right, I mean, look at that packaging, guys. Oh my God. It is definitely rhinestoned to the max. It's really, really pretty. Okay, so then this just comes off. So the lid, oh, that's so stunning. And these are the lashes. Now, I don't wear lashes, but these are definitely up my daughter's alley. Like, she'll definitely wear these. These are exactly what she likes. All right. I just can't get over this packaging. And then on the back, let me show you. So here's the lid and the back. Oh, my God. It's so gorgeous. Okay. All right. I like you. Dripping in Diamonds. I never heard of that brand before, but nice packaging. All right, and last but not least is this Prolex MUA palette. There's the back. And this palette retails for $18.99. Okay, so when you open it up, that's what it looks like. It's really, really pretty. Let me take this paper off. All right, so that's what it looks like. So it's like a book, and you can bend it back. So I do like that. So you have the eyeshadows right here, and then over here you have like the blushes, and then you have the contour. So it's like all in one. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Do you know what this right here, the colors remind me of? So I just got the J. Kissa and Elf collection. Let me show you. I have it right here between my legs. So no, it's not between my legs. It's underneath the table. Oh my God. Let me go get it, and so I can show you how it's so similar. So this is the J. Kissa and from Elf Cosmetics, and look at this. So these are the colors here. And then just reminds me of that. And then here you go. So these, I believe, sold out. I'm not sure. But if you couldn't get your hands on this, you can receive that. So that's nice. All right, let's just do some swatches just to see how it performs. So let's swatch a couple of the mattes. All right, so I just picked a few. All right, there's a few of the mattes. This purple, it's a little chalky, but swatches don't mean anything. So I have to try it out and see, you know, how it performs, how it blends. Is it buildable? All right, let me do some of the shimmers and see see how they work. All right, so here are some shimmers. All right, so there are some shimmers. I mean, they're not my favorite, but I haven't wet them or anything. I don't like to talk really bad about a palette unless I really try it, because I had palettes that swatched amazing, and then I put them on, I'm like, what the hell? And then I had other ones that didn't swatch too good, and I was like, these are pretty good, you know? So I won't know until I actually try it on. But by swatching them, they're a little chalky, and it definitely needs building. All right, so let's do some of the blushes here. I love blushes. So this is more like a satiny. They're not like matte. Yeah, see? The formula is, you know, let's see how buildable it is, because I don't mind if it's buildable. See, now this right here, it's definitely buildable. So I don't mind that. I'll do a couple of I'll do some of the contour shades. Now these feel really buttery. Let's see. Like you guys can see, it's not that pigmented, but again, you gotta try it. And last but not least are the highlighter shades. And they feel really good too. So hopefully they swatch good. So they swatch the best. I don't know what you can see because it's almost like on my skin tone. All right, so let's recap everything that we got in the Slay Glam box. Also leave right here the total value of this box. So we get this palette. I really do think it's pretty cool that you do get the eyeshadow palette, and you get blushes, and you also get like contour, highlight, bronzer. So I like that. Like I said, it's not my favorite, but it's only $18.99, so I didn't expect much for this palette, but it's not bad. Honestly, it's not that bad. You know, it's just not the best. All right, then we get this free palette. I think it's amazing. For retails for $10 to $12. You get that free because we waited so long due to the COVID. She didn't have enough of the packaging, and then with COVID, they stopped the mail and all that, so she couldn't mail anything. So I understand that. We also have the lashes. That is just gorgeous. You get a Natasha Denona palette in here. You can't beat that. You also get a Manicadar lipstick, which really is pretty, and it's very creamy. And you get a Sigma eyeliner. I'm not sure if everybody gets brown or if it's different colors, but I don't tend to wear eyeliners, but I'm definitely going to try it out with brown. I have an eye look that I'm going to have in mind, so I'm going to try it out. Yeah, and that's everything that we got in the Beat Face box. So let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like this box? Do you not? Do you think it's worth it? Let me know. I love the fact that it's bi-monthly because it is $39.99, so let's just say $40. So that would be expensive every month. So if you are not into paying that every month, then this would be perfect for you since it's bi-monthly. But I don't know if it's perfect. Let me know. Okay, I'm jibber-jabbing too much. All right, please rate this video. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this box, if you enjoyed this unboxing, or if you want to continue seeing me unbox this on our channel. Give me a thumbs down if you're not interested, you don't want to see this on our channel, then let me know. The only way that I'll know is if you give me a like or a thumbs down. If I get a lot of thumbs down, then I know not to put this on our channel because I really only want to put content that you guys want to see. And that's everything, guys. If you love unboxings and reviews, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget, make sure you have that post notification bell on, and make sure you double tap it to have it on all. That way you'll get notified for all of my future videos. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay cool in this weather, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.